Hello everybody, and welcome to another Jarrison Time informational video. In the following video, we'll be taking a look at advanced filters. Advanced filters are used to further filter and group employees together using additional filtering options that are not available in normal filtering, making it easier to work with only the selected employees. Once we have opened Jarrison Time, we'll head over to the icon bar and click on the filters icon. This will open the filters window. Here we will click on the create button and that will open the create filter window. Then we click on the show advanced button and the advanced selection options will appear. First, we'll take a look at the options on the 4 selection tabs. These 4 tabs have the same options throughout. First option here is the join condition option. The first tab will always have the and option selected. The rest of the tabs, we will be able to choose any one of the 3 options. Then we have the from and to date that can be set. The selected date range is where the system will look for the information that we have selected. After that, we can search for any of the following occurring within the set date range: a particular date program, time category, counter, adjustment, and clocking device. We can also look for clockings that occur between times set and find cases of alternate date programs being applied. For today's example, we're going to select an applied date program option. Let's say we're going to click on the admin Monday to Thursday date program. Then we're going to click on the search button. The system will then display the employees that fall part of the condition that we have now set. Should we not want to work with all of the employees in our list, we can use the Shift or Control key on our keyboards to select multiple employees that we want to work with. Once done, we can then click on the Use button to apply the created filter. In today's example, I'm going to click on the Reset button and move on to the next example of using multiple selection tabs together. For this, we will leave the applied day program on admin Monday to Thursday and add a time category earned option as unauthorized 1.5. Then we will click on the selection 2 tab. Here we will change the join condition to or, then add an applied day program option as factory Monday to Friday, as well as a time category earned option as unauthorized 1.5. Next, we will click on the search button and the system will display the employees that fall part of either selections made. Should we want to use this filter, we can then click on the Use button. But in today's example, I will click on the Reset button and move on to the Access tab. On this tab, it allows us to filter based on the access group validity for both the valid from and valid to dates of the employee's access group allocation. For example, if we select the valid from by ticking it, and changing the from date in today's example to the 1st of January 2024, we can then click on the search button and we will find an employee listed. Again, should we want to use this filter, we can click on the Use button. But in today's example, I'm going to click on the Reset button and move on to the Employee Search tab. On this tab, we can search for any employee by entering characters into the search bar on the left-hand side. This will then search for any employee number or name matching the inserted character and display them. We can then tick the employees that we want on our filter and they will appear on the right-hand side list. We can then clear our search and insert different characters to select more employees as well, as they will then also be displayed on the list on the right hand side. Now let's click the Use button to load the selected employees into the list and have a look to see that our employees are now on our employee list as we have filtered for them. Should we want to unload the filter, we can double click on the filters icon or right click then click unload filter. Now that we are done with that, we can go on working with Jarrison Time. That will be all for the video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.